Today, I'm excited to introduce you to ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate 2025, a photo editing powerhouse that aims to be a strong alternative to Adobe's subscription-based tools. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional photographer, this software offers features that streamline your workflow, saving you time and effort. With its intuitive interface, powerful editing tools, and advanced digital asset management, there's a lot to unpack here. So let's dive in and see what makes it stand out. ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate 2025 is a Windows-only software that combines the functionalities of Lightroom and Photoshop. Its 5 key modes: manage, media, view, develop, and edit, streamline everything from organizing your images to advanced editing. Let's explore what each mode offers. In Manage mode, you can organize, batch process, and apply tags with ease. Media mode, on the other hand, lets you quickly access your recently opened files. While Media mode isn't essential, Manage mode is invaluable for photographers dealing with large volumes of files. The Develop mode is like having a Lightroom alternative in your toolkit. It offers professional-grade raw processing with advanced tools, localized adjustments, and AI-powered features like masking. You can refine your photos to a high standard without leaving the software. Moving to Edit mode, you'll find essential tools like layers, blending modes, and masks. While it's simpler than Photoshop or Affinity Photo 2, it's perfect for day-to-day edits. Advanced users might find it less comprehensive, but for most photographers, it gets the job done. One of the standout features is its Digital Asset Management, DAM. This includes advanced keyword tagging, face recognition, and easy file organization. If you've ever struggled with messy photo libraries, these tools are perfect for gaining control of your collections while saving time. ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate 2025 comes packed with innovative AI tools that enhance your editing experience. AI Super Resolution, particularly impressive, allowing you to upscale low-resolution images with reduced artifacts and improved clarity. It's perfect for breathing new life into old or small files. Another highlight is AI Object Masking, which simplifies selecting subjects and backgrounds, making localized adjustments a breeze. The software also offers tools like Replace Sky, with new sky options like Fireworks, and Mass Refinement to blend edits seamlessly. These tools provide creative flexibility, even if the results can vary depending on the image complexity. Let's talk about affordability. ACDSee offers flexible pricing options tailored to different budgets. In the US, you can choose a monthly subscription for $8.90 or an annual plan for $89, which effectively gives you 2 months free. Prefer a one-time purchase? The lifetime license is normally $249.98. Now, for our UK viewers, the monthly subscription is approximately £7.25. The annual plan is around £72, and the lifetime license costs roughly £200. Both the monthly and annual subscription plans include 200 gigabytes of cloud storage, free updates, and access to exclusive tutorials, making it an excellent Adobe alternative. In terms of performance, ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate 2025 delivers a smooth and effective workflow. The Manage and Develop modes stand out as highlights, offering intuitive organization and professional-grade raw process. Switching between modes is seamless, helping you maintain focus and streamlining your editing process. The AI-powered tools like AI Super Resolution and AI Object Masking provide creative solutions, but their effectiveness can depend on the image. For simpler tasks, they're incredibly useful, but for complex edits, results may require fine-tuning. while the software excels at raw editing and organization, advanced users might find the edit mode lacking compared to Photoshop's extensive features. However, for most photographers and creators, it offers everything needed for high-quality results without the recurring costs of Adobe subscriptions. If you're someone who values flexibility, ACDSee's pricing options, offering both subscription and lifetime licenses, are a huge plus. The addition of 200 gigabytes of cloud storage and exclusive tutorials makes it even more appealing for budget-conscious users. So let's break it down. Pros: cost-effective Adobe alternative, powerful digital asset management, professional-grade raw processing tools, flexible pricing options. Cons: AI tools can be inconsistent, edit mode is less robust for advanced editing. For Windows users looking to streamline their workflow without breaking the bank, ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate 2025 is a fantastic option. It's not perfect, but it's a reliable and feature-rich tool worth considering. So is ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate 2025 worth it? If you're a Windows user seeking a cost-effective Adobe alternative, it's definitely worth exploring. Let me know in the comments, have you tried it, or will you be giving it a shot? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.